Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. We could see that Bitcoin right now is back to 39,400 after that big pump we had yesterday, all the way from 34,300 all the way to $40,200 today, getting rejected out of the green resistance box. And we got a few rejections at our blue line at 39,600, but now it looks like we're trying to attempt to break it. Let's see if we can hold it. We have a bit of a bearish divergence on the 30-minute time frame, so take that into account, guys. You guys can take a look at the BTCTA2 chart in the link in the description for the Google chat, if you guys are in the Discord. But right now, if we do come back down, we still have some support coming in at 38,000, so that's looking pretty good. And if we break that, we still have some significant levels of support coming in at 36,200 and 34,600. Now, that big long-term bullish pattern that everyone's talking about, we could take a look at it right here. I'll just draw it for you guys real quick. It's not too hard, it's just a really big channel. And we have a Bitcoin chart here. There we go. We'll just delete these lines for now, and I'll just show you guys what's going on now. Everyone's talking about this big channel. All right, it's the talk of the town, and we have bounced from this level, so it is holding at the moment. Where's my channel? Where can I find my channel? There we go. Parallel channel. So basically, from this point to that point, and then you draw it down, and then you have all these touch points right here. Obviously, we can extend it a little bit. There we go. So you can see that we are getting some nice touch points at the moment, holding that support, and you know, it's looking significantly better than what the stock market's doing. We did have a big rally in the stock market today, but does this mean that we are going to make some new all-time highs now? Are we going to rally up and, you know, shoot up towards maybe 80,000, 75,000? We're gonna make some new all-time highs. In my opinion, I'm still bearish, even though we've gotten this bounce from these levels. I think it's great. You know, people can make some great trades. We bounced off this level, and now we're gonna, you know, rally up. But the facts are that the fundamentals haven't changed really. They've actually gotten worse, in my opinion, since the breakout in the war. Right? We still have rising inflation, right? And then we still have COVID. The COVID cases are still, you know, significantly high, which causes supply chain disruptions. And then, you know, this war is definitely not going to help out the oil prices. And then you can hear Joe Biden talking about not letting oil getting too expensive, and he's going to take action to reduce oil prices. But by doing that, when you reduce prices, when you do price reductions in a certain commodity or asset or whatever, you're going to push those prices somewhere else. So if you reduce the prices somewhere, you're going to increase the prices of some of another product. So let's say you reduce energy costs, then what about the, you know, the food costs? The food costs might increase after that. But that's just like, you know, a rough example. That's not exactly what happens, but honestly, in my opinion, I'm still bearish in the long term. We can take a look at the market cipher chart for you guys on the long term too. You can see on the weekly time frame, we have a 13, we have a red dot, we have that money flow decreasing significantly. We're almost in the red now. You know, we haven't crossed over yet, but in my opinion, we're about to cross over. You can take a look at some different time frames too. On the 4-day, we're in the red. On the 3-day, we're in the red. On the 2-day, we're in the red now. It looks like we're getting a bit of a curve up, but that doesn't mean that it's confirmed and we're gonna rally now. That's not at all what it means. It could still even like lip like this and then go downwards, and then obviously, you know, a lot of people could say I'm biased because I'm holding some put options at the moment, but you know, you never know what's gonna happen, and we don't know how this war is going to turn out. Some people are saying it's good. Joe Biden, like when he got on the stand the other day, he's saying, oh, you know, it's going to be over soon, and we're all, don't worry about it. So the markets are rallying on this thing being over quick and easy. But what if it doesn't get over quick and easy? What if it gets worse and the situation deteriorates, right? Who's to say that China isn't planning something too, right? Because no one's looking at China and Taiwan right now. All eyes are on Russia and Ukraine, and it's the talk of the town. But if you guys don't remember, in 1962, when there was the Cuban Missile Crisis, right, between Russia and US, and then all eyes were on US and Russia about, you know, that big nuclear war about to maybe happen. China invaded India, if you guys don't know, and then they had that attack and troops going into India. So that's just shows you that nobody really knew that happened, right? I don't know if how many of you guys knew that, but you should just do a little bit of research. You'll see that exactly happened. So moving on, we can see that Ethereum's coming up now at some resistance at 1850. We are getting rejected from those levels, so that's next support is going to be coming in at 2700, and after that we can take a look at this chart here. Ethereum holding quite nicely as well. This yellow support box, once again, if you guys put in your longs at 2300, you would have made some pretty good gains right there. You'd be up over 23% right now. With leverage, you could make up to 400%. So if you guys want access to these charts, you can definitely join the Discord. They're available 24/7 through my Google Sheet. So if you guys want them, don't forget to send me your Gmail. Once you join the Discord, I'm going to add you to the Google Sheet, so you guys can take a look and get access to all these charts that I make. Now right now oil's starting to come down a little bit on the monthly time frame. Maybe we're going to close underneath, but if this war breaks out, you can expect $110 a barrel, $150 a barrel possibly. You know, that high that we've had back in 2008. You might even get that price that price again. So let's just pay attention to traditional markets, see what's going to happen. In my opinion, the Dow Jones, we're getting a nice bit of a rally right now, but once we get to maybe this blue line, I think we're going to get some resistance and we might roll over from there. But you know, once again, it's a lot of speculation and we don't really know what's going to happen. If anybody tells you that you know, they've got the magic recipe to every single trade, they're just full of it, because nobody really knows what's going to happen in markets. So obviously we will equip ourselves with the best tools possible to make the best trades and get the best probabilities, but even then we can get it wrong sometimes. Anyways guys, hopefully you guys join the Discord, get access to the charts. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always think about the Russian not the Russian people, the Ukrainian people, what they're going through. Give them your support, give them some love in the chat. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Really appreciate the support, and just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be trading futures and options on Delta Exchange. You guys can definitely check them out. I'm very excited to partner up with them. I'm going to be trading perpetual contracts and option futures. So very first time you can be trading crypto futures and options with you guys. Definitely check them out. You guys can use my referral link in the description. If you need any more information, definitely join the Discord. I am happy to help you. Love you guys. Peace.